Okay, we're writing an equation in slope-intercept form, and that form is y equals mx plus b. So I'll write that here, y equals mx plus b, and then we'll substitute in the values that we need. So one thing we can write, we can say y equals something x. We'll figure out what that something number is. But where is it crossing the y-axis? The y-axis is the vertical axis. And where is it crossing it? Well, it's crossing it below 0, below the x-axis, so we know it's going to be a negative number. It's going to be -1, -2, -3. So we should write -3. But what's the slope of this line? Well, we need to say what's the rise and what's the run to get from some point that's on the line to some other point on the line. We can see this point is right. When I say on the line, what I mean to say is on the lines, on the grid lines. You see all of these grid lines, these lines that the graph is. That's when you have graph paper, it's really just a bunch of lines, right? In a grid formation. When you have points that land perfectly on those grid lines, like we have there and then we have there, we can calculate the slope, we can count the slope from those. So let's do that. We go from one to the other, we rise 2, run 1. Rise 2, run 1. So we got a slope of 2 over 1, and we don't write 2 over 1. 2 over 1 is simply written as 2. So we have a slope of 2. There it is. It's our equation. Okay, let's keep going. We're going to start with our y equals mx plus b and figure out the slope and the intercept. So let's identify 2 points that are right on the grid lines. And here we have point on the grid line, and here is the next points right on the grid line.